honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to recite the poems The Lamb and the Tiger by William Blake, taken from Songs of Innocence and Experience. William Blake was an 18th century visionary, poet, and artist. His romantic style of writing allows readers to ponder the contrasting natures of the lamb and the tiger. The lamb traditionally conveys tender innocence. This poem conjures images of a pure Christ, like compassion for the innocent, therefore reminding us that we are all innocent in some way. The lamb is usually contrasted with the tiger, which conveys images of a ruthless hunter being forged in the underworld. These poems are about the essence of God, as to why God is able to create such a brutal beast as a tiger, while still making time to nurture the pure and innocent lamb. Upon deep thought, a dark sense of foreboding is left, as the final stanza of the tiger's fierceness is repeated. His thought concluded with the final two words, fearful symmetry. Now, the lamb. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Gave thee life and bid thee feed by the stream and o'er the mead. Gave thee clothing of delight, softest clothing, woolly bright. Gave thee such a tender voice, making all the vales rejoice. Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Little lamb, I'll tell thee. Little lamb, I'll tell thee. He is called by thy name, for he calls himself a lamb. He is meek and he is mild. He became a little child. I a child and thou a lamb. We are called by his name. Little lamb, God bless thee. Little lamb, God bless thee. The tiger. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? In what distant deeps or skies burnt the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare he aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? And what shoulder and what art could twist the sinews of thy heart? And when thy heart began to beat, what dread hand and what dread feet? What the hammer, what the chain? In what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what dread grasp? There is deadly terror's clasp. When the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make thee? Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye dare frame thy fearful symmetry? Thank you.
Questions? Okay.
Okay. So in your opinion, who is the implied reader? Does he have any target reader for the poem?
Could you please
For
explain?
this poem, is there any target reader, implied reader?
I think it's William Blake's own perspective to write this poem. So he think like our society have the lamb like evil, bad people, and the lamb is good people, and the tiger is good. Tiger is evil, hunter, like so. It's from his own view to do this poem.
Are you still thinking?
Go ahead.
Okay. In the poem "The Tiger," we see a lot of vocabulary. We know he's describing God creating the tiger, but we see a lot of vocabulary that we wouldn't normally associate with God. For example, what the hammer, what the chain, what the furnace in thy brain, what the anvil. Hammer, chain, furnace, anvil. Why would the poet choose to use vocabulary such as this?
Yes, it's a little bit like made from industrial, right?
Yes.
And yeah, the tiger, William Blake, the author, he is the scary maker. He didn't really create a scary tiger. So all of us are the creator of the tiger. When we read the poem, the scary tiger is in our mind, in our head. So all of us is the creator of the scary tiger. And the God also, because God is powerful, he can do everything. He can create everything. So yeah, God still made the tiger.
And in your opinion, why does he choose the lamb to show the contrast? Lamb and tiger.
Okay. So as we know, lamb is like white, and when lamb is under the sun, it's very bright, very white, very clean. So it's just like the poem, pure, innocent lamb. Yes. And the tiger, we know, in the dark forest, it's very scary. It might eat us. Like we think tiger is very dangerous, very scary, fearful.
I've got another one if you're still thinking, Matthew.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Oh,
It's okay.
all right. In the tiger, in the second last stanza, he says, "Did he smile his work to see?" What do you think this line means?
Okay. William Blake asked two questions. Did he smell his work to see? Two did, right? Okay. William Blake is a little bit like, did you really do that? You really do that? When you create the lamb, did you think, when you create the tiger, did you really think that the lamb is still there? The tiger is gonna eat the lamb, like they cannot live together. Yeah.
No, I'm okay.